Hey guys, here we're back in Roblox Studio, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to tween parts to size up and to size down, and also to move side to side. So as you can see right here, we have two parts. This part right here moves side to side, and this part right here can size up and down. Now I'm just going to show you guys it so you can see it. Okay, so you can see the parts moving. So see, this one sizes up and down right here, while this one moves side to side. Well, this one also moves up and down a little, like you can really do anything you want with it and make it move anyway, this size anyway. And to do this, what you need to do is use Tween Service to make them move smoothly like that. Because they won't move smoothly like that if you do it any other way. I'm pretty sure the only way you could do it, like you could, I guess, make it smooth by putting like a weight and then making it change its position each time, but it'd have to be a really small like movement, but I guess you could do that, but it would most likely not be as smooth as it could be with these. So I'm going to show you how to do it with these right now. So just open up your script right here, and then you're going to want to put in this for the position one, the one that changes position. You're going to want to put in this code right here. So what Tween Service does basically is just moves things smoothly. So you could also do it with UI. It's different for UI. Maybe I'll make a tutorial on that, but for UI, you have to use like instead of like position and stuff like that, use UDIM2 or something like that. And this is just the code right here. So basically what you do is you grab your part, and then you get Tween Service, and then you get your Tweeninfo. Okay, and then Tweeninfo is actually not that hard, because see, it just gives you all the stuff right here, time, and then you just put in what the time is, and then it tells you right here you need to put in your easing style and Enum.EasingStyle, and then which one, and then easing direction, the Enum.Easing direction, and then which one you want. And then there's two more you could put, but these are just the recommended ones, because this is your time, this is how it moves, and this is another way of how it moves. So everything else will affect, like, limit how many times it moves back and forth and stuff like that. So you do not want to mess with any of those. I recommend just putting in these three right here, but you could put in all five if you want. But yeah, look, can I just scroll? No, it's not letting me. Okay, well, it's not letting me do that, so I can't show you guys, but I just recommend putting those three. And then for goal, what you need to do is make a goal and then a second goal. So for goal one, unless you wanted to tween once somewhere, then you only want one goal. If you want to go back to where it was, then you want two goals. So as you can see here, I have goal and then I have goal 2. So goal is going to be where you want it to move, or you can change this to goal 1. So see, I want it to move here, and to know where you want it to move, all you do is place the part where you want it to go, and then you just hit Control-Z to put it back to where it was, and then you just put in the size here, or the position here, where you want it to be, and then here at goal 2, you just put the parts position. I just put C-frame in there too to be more like precise. But then for tween, all you have to do is simply use Tween Service that you got earlier right here, GetService, Tween Service, and then all you have to do is create a tween. And then you just put in your stuff. So the order it goes in is part, then because look, see, the instance is a part, and then the Tweeninfo, and then you already have all your stuff out here. This is why you should always use variables. And then your goal is last, or your property table. So yeah, look, we have our little property table over here. And you don't have to do it like this either, but it's just nicer like this. You could really change this up a lot, but this is just how I like to do it, and it looks nice. And then for your Tween 2, you do the same thing, but put in goal 2. And then down here is how you make it move. So you can make it move different ways. Like you could do it like on command. Like you could, for example, if you're using like a click detector, you could make it where you click it and then it does the tween. But if you just want it always to be moving or something like that, this is what you want to do right here. And then that's all. And then for the sizing one, it's the exact same thing, but all you do is size, and then right here you put in the size, and then you could change the wait times too if you want. And then also, this is the time right here, this number right here is the time that it takes to get to the goal. So if I were to change this number, it would get slower. And you also, if you want it to be constant, then you always want to set this wait time right here to what this is, if you want it to be constant, or else it won't be constant. So, and this is also, yeah, just how long it takes to get there. So if you want your thing to move slower, just put this as a bigger number. And that's actually going to be all. It's really, Tween Service is not super hard, but it's not super simple, but it's not that hard. And this is going to be the end of my video. Subscribe to help the channel. Bye.